All right, guys. Update for you. All the markets are nuking on a Sunday. The crypto markets are nuking, have nuked. Will they continue to nuke? Total 3 is nuking. The altcoin market's nuking. I wish I had held my shorts, but I didn't. So we'll talk about what to do, and let's take a look at the other markets too. So I'm not sure what's going on in the world exactly, but I do know the Japanese stock market looks crazy. It looks like March 2020 essentially, right here. So there's an opportunity possibly, but when I don't understand what's going on in the world, I'm thinking, I'm just thinking conserve capital right now. Um, the US dollar, if we look at um, the Japanese yen when they started to tighten, that also looks crazy. I guess something's breaking. I don't know. So if we look at some of the stock markets, um, that one looks pretty bad. Um, gold and silver haven't really moved that much actually, but yeah, and actually the Dow Jones isn't doing so bad. US 100 is under the SMA, severe sell-off. US 500 is actually maybe going to give a dip buy signal um, for a buy. Maybe it would need to get above this actually, which might happen. So what is my suggestion for what to do here? Um, for the most part, do nothing. So if you want to be really conservative, you don't invest in crypto under the 200 moving average. It keeps you out of the bear markets, and you can get in on breakouts above the 200 moving average. And the 200 moving average can just start sloping down and catch up with this. So you could get in much lower over the 200 SMA, but it keeps you out of this, keeps you out of this, and you gets you in these. So if you want to be very conservative, there's not a lot to do. So if we talk about regime change, where we went from a bull market to a bear market to a bull market to a bear market, if you look at how bull markets go or bear markets go, they don't immediately turn into a bull market. They have to bleed and go sideways for some amount of time. So we maybe, once this high volatility regime is over, enter a low volatility sideways regime that could last some amount of time. Now, to me, it's super unlikely this V reverses March 2020. Maybe it does. I don't know that there's any kind of financial catastrophe the Fed needs to intervene on. Maybe there is, maybe there's something I don't understand. But we're entering a do nothing regime where you're not holding a short here. In theory, you could trade a lower time frame, but as far as a conservative trend following system goes, you don't do anything. You get flat and you wait for a better opportunity. That better opportunity being, let me show you something like leads down, does whatever, and then starts to move up, and then you're long. And maybe we can short rallies, which there will be. There's systems that can be traded for sure, but if you want to be very conservative, You're not in the markets. You're waiting. You're waiting for better days, right? Now am I expecting some kind of a I'm expecting volatility. I don't really know what's going on. I mean, this isn't normal price action, but I think we can expect just expanded volatility, some insane things to happen. And I don't know what the opportunity is exactly. I mean, I'm based everything off computer back testing. And if you want to preserve money, you don't invest under the 200 moving average. And this goes back on gold and yeah, I just want to avoid bear markets. So, um, yeah, now is a time for capital preservation and waiting and go touch grass. Um, as yeah, the market's just absolutely deteriorating, and they may be way higher tomorrow. They might be way lower, but right. I mean, say we're here, the to get from a bear market to a bull market takes time. It just it doesn't just happen. So it's very likely it grinds. Maybe we make a lower low, maybe we don't, and then there'll be another bull market. So my suggestion is to work on other businesses, work on systems, leave trading alone for a while. So appreciate you. Much love and good luck. Peace.